how to upload a video on Dacast. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can upload a video on Dacast. So kindly watch till the end, alright? The first step is for you to log in into your Dacast account, of course, just like I've done here. And once you're logged in, the next step is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see some icons and some options, which includes dashboard, live streams, videos, folders, expos, playlist, etc. So just go ahead to click on videos. Once you're on the videos page, you can see upload your first video. This is if you've not uploaded any video at all, just like me. Then click on upload, and you have an option for you to drag and drop to upload the video, or you can just browse out files from your computer. So for me, I will select the browse files option. Then once you've selected the browse files option, the next step is for you to select the video that you would like to upload. Then click open and the video will be uploaded. So just wait patiently for it to load on this page. So on this page, you would have to select the folder where you want your video to be uploaded. Okay, automatically the video will be uploaded to the media library, but you have an option for you to create a folder and send it there. So for me, I'll just upload it to the media library. Then click on upload if you want it to be uploaded to the media library, but if not, you can decide to create a new folder. So as you can see, the video is being uploaded. You can see at the bottom part of the screen here, you can see the number of seconds and minutes that it's going to take. And then once it is done uploading, it will be verified. So you have to wait for it to be verified as well. And then once it is done verified, once you've verified the video will be uploaded successfully. And you can go ahead to copy to send it to wherever you want to send it to. So that is it. This is basically how you can upload a video on Dacast. Thank you for watching everyone, and have a smooth ride.